In this video, I'll show you how to put a video on a USB flash drive in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now, open File Explorer. Go to the folder where your video is saved. It could be the Videos folder, Downloads, or another location. Find the video you want to copy. Right-click the video. Select Copy. Go back to This PC. Open your USB flash drive. Right-click inside the USB flash drive. Select Paste. Wait for Windows to finish copying the video. When the transfer is complete, check that the video appears on the USB flash drive. That's it. This is how you can put a video on a USB flash drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.